I built a pool filter cleaning stand using 25 pounds of concrete in a 5-gallon bucket and a 2.5-inch diameter drain pipe. Then I used the Grant's dirt guard so I could raise it up a little bit off the concrete. I just drilled a hole to fit over the pipe, and this will give me a smoother surface as I rotate the filter cartridge. Trimmed off the legs to make them a little shorter, a little more stable. And it slides right down over the pipe. And I cut the pipe to 11.5 inches above the drain guard because that's how much I need to fit inside the filter. Makes it stable enough to turn. I use the filter flosser because I like the water pattern. The little individual holes get right inside the filter pleats. I can clean an entire filter in about 2 minutes. And it has a handy shut-off valve on the filter flosser.